What's the meaning of bauble? Warble. Warble.
Bauble. Bauble. A bauble is a small, decorative item that is often used as an ornament or trinket. It is typically made from materials such as glass, plastic, or metal, and is often brightly colored or adorned with sparkly embellishments. Baubles are commonly used to decorate Christmas trees, but they can also be used as part of a costume or accessory, or simply as a fun piece of decoration. While baubles may be frivolous or non-essential, they can bring joy and a sense of whimsy to a space or occasion. Overall, a bauble is a small item that is meant to add a touch of delight and charm to any setting.